Yeah, Ms. Rinka, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Please start the proceeding.
Okay, a very good evening to everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's webinar. Sanskriti University is organizing a very delightful and engaging webinar with the uh, Sailor Academy. Myself, Rinka Juneja, the host of this webinar. Just a little housekeeping. Before we get started, we will turn the time over to our key speakers, Jacqueline Arnold. She is the Director of Strategic Relationships and communication at Sailor Academy. Ms. Arnold has an experience in various non-profit and higher education settings. Sailor Academy is a non-profit initiative that provides a free online courses in career skills and higher education to learners. And the next speaker is Archana Thakran. She is working as a strategic relationship consultant to the Sailor Academy, that is US-based non-profit organization. She is the founder and the CEO of Skills Mitra Academy. She had worked previously as research analyst and worked in the space of skill development. Now it's over to you, my speakers. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Rinka, and it is indeed a great pleasure to be with everyone from Sanskritik University. And on behalf of Sailor and our executive director Jeff and Jacqueline, she's here. I welcome our new partner, and especially this webinar is for the students. To understand why we have done this partnership and what is the importance of sailor courses in their lives and how they can make maximum benefit of these free courses. It's just not a partnership being done between two institutions. Through institution, we wanted to reach out to each one of you to help you in upskilling yourself through our free courses. So how do you enroll for these courses? What is Sailor all about? Jackie would be taking it in detail. But मेरा जो purpose था आप लोगों के साथ मिलने का वो ये था that हम आपको ये बता पाए कि Sailor Academy एक not for profit organization है which is offering free courses and उन courses से आप किसी भी डोमेन के किसी भी डिसिप्लिन के स्टूडेंट्स क्यों ना हो आप अपनी प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हैं सो दैट यू आर रेडी फॉर industry and for jobs once you pass out from this university. So your university is very proactive in ensuring that the students should have all the skill set once they pass out from the university. So the purpose behind this partnership, again, I'm emphasizing, is for the students' benefit and how it gonna benefit you. Now I'll um, pass on to Jackie. She will take you on a virtual tour on our academy. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask us. Language kuch bhi ho, Hindi ho ya English ho, please feel free to ask. Uh, uh, we would be there to answer all your queries. So don't hesitate in asking question in, at least language should not be the barrier in asking your queries to us. So over to you, Jackie.
Thank you so much, Archana. And again, welcome students and faculty from Sanskriti University. We're very excited to start working together. I wanted to give a quick chance to share my screen and I'll talk a little bit about the features of the courses and then do a quick site tour as well. And please do let us know in the chat if anyone can't see my screen. So as Archana mentioned, we are a nonprofit organization. We're based in the US, but have students worldwide, as well as people working with us worldwide. And we're really excited to be able to work with Archana. You'll be joining a worldwide group of students. We have courses towards skill development, both very short courses and longer courses, and I'll talk about those subjects as well. And then we'll look through the features of the course. So I think our executive director isn't able to be with us today, but Archana and I are here to support any questions you may have, and also give some additional details if you are looking at particular courses or what subjects we have available. So we are an online platform. We recently partnered with the National Skills Development Corporation as part of their eSkill India platform as well. So you'll see some courses there, but we have a full catalog of free online courses that are self-paced that you can use to earn certificates that you can share with either your school or add to your portfolio or share on LinkedIn or even post to your resume to share with employers. Our courses cover several areas, including career skilling, so leadership, decision-making, C++ programming, some business theory, so management, and we have short courses in management as well as longer form courses in management. If English is something that you're interested in working on, we also have a free English as a second language or English as a foreign language, if you will, course. We have 4 levels of that published so far, and we will finish the 5th very early in 2021. And once you finish those courses, you'll take an exam at the end, and we'll talk about the different exams. But that will prepare you to be able to study or even work in an English-based setting. And again, all of those are free and they can be taken at your own time. So you can fit those in between your studies, time with family and friends, or if you are working. These courses are very ideal for you to be able to work on 2 or 3 hours a week until you finish. What you'll see in a Sailor course or the building blocks of a Sailor course will be very similar to what you would see in your studies at Sanskriti. So each course will have a syllabus that will cover learning outcomes, and we'll look at those parts in detail in a moment. You'll see quizzes and activities that you should fill out. There's homework assigned in the courses. The homework isn't due to anyone, but you can certainly use the forums to share it with your peers and get feedback. However, if you don't engage with the activities, it will be very difficult for you to pass the courses at the end. You really need to engage with those to be able to reinforce your learning so that you can pass that exam at the end, which was how you will get your certificate. Our course content, which you'll also see, will include readings, videos, and other activities to help you really get those concepts in. So it's not all video based. There are some videos, but there will be a lot of lectures and other activities that you'll need to pay attention to as well. This is our homepage, and I just want to point out a few elements to help you navigate the homepage as you're enrolling for courses or looking for things you want to learn. So you'll see there's a login or sign up button, and I'll show you what that screen looks like in a couple of screens. But we have 2 ways for you to create an account. You can either use your email ID and name, and that's very simple to create, or you can use either Google or Facebook as a single sign-on. However, if you use an email ID to create an account, you need to use an email ID to sign in. If you use Google or Facebook, you need to use the same to sign in, et cetera, et cetera. And that'll be very important to help you keep track of your progress, make sure you have access to quizzes. You want to make sure that you're signed in every time you're in a course so that you can track your activities. Also, we have a very robust help and frequently asked questions section. If you have questions about your certificate, if you need to change your name or other information that's displayed on your certificate, we recommend you come here first. If you're having any issues with the course, there may be something that you need to tinker with, or even our mobile app, as we now have a mobile app in Apple and in Google Play. Please come to the help and frequently asked questions section. And there's even an avenue there where you can contact us if you have questions. This is the login and sign up page that I mentioned earlier. So you'll see on this side, you can either create an account with the email ID or using Google or Facebook. And this is your login side where, again, if you create using email, you want to then use that to log in. Google or Facebook, you want to use those to log in as well. And when you do log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. So you'll see I have my photo here, my courses here. There's an avenue right here where you can change your profile. So you'll be able to select that you're a Sanskriti University student. And you can enroll in as many courses as you want at a time. We recommend enrolling in a couple of courses at a time so you can focus. And then just adding additional courses as you go through and find courses that are useful to you. When you are in a course, you'll see the elements that I will take. Any Saylor Academy course will have a free certificate. As well as you'll see that introduction and syllabus that I mentioned before, the course content that I mentioned, and the different ways that you can navigate a course, and the exams that we mentioned just briefly. But we'll go into detail in a moment. So we have some courses that are college credit recommended, but that's limited to certain partners. But what we'll focus on is the courses that earn certificates, which is any Saylor Academy course. So we have shorter courses as well as longer courses that you'll be able to see on the Sanskriti University page. The elements on the side are going to help you navigate. So you can click through any element on the side. You can also click through the top, or you can scroll the page and click through, and I'll show that live in just a moment. Once you complete your course, you'll earn a Saylor Academy certificate. And that certificate can be verified by an employer if you link to it. You can send it in an email. You can share it on LinkedIn, and we encourage you to do so. You'll see that a large community of our students have been doing that. And that's just a way to show that you've earned some additional skills, and you can use that as a signal to employers that you're taking initiative and that you're trying to stand out as a job candidate. And here's an example of a student doing just that. Sharing their certificate on LinkedIn, which if I were an employer, I could click through that link. I shouldn't have clicked on the slide. I could click through that link and then verify that certificate, or ask the student to email me their certificate so that I could verify it, and it would show those skills as well. So again, you can share that. I've seen people share it on Twitter and even Facebook. We wanted to provide a link to our support center as well, which that's that help center that shows those frequently asked questions. And now I'm going to do a free tour, not a free tour. I'm going to do a tour of the course as well. All of our resources are free, so I guess the course tour will be free as well. So this is that dashboard that I showed you all before. And I think we'll go through our project management course. Project management is one of our longer courses, but it has some cross-cutting principles. Project management is something that you're going to need really regardless of the industry that you go into. So you'll see the course introduction and syllabus that I mentioned before, that this is a course that earns a certificate. What we couldn't show in the slides is that you'll have a course progress bar, which is another thing that you can use as a resource. So once you complete a module, your module will turn from blue to green. There are also discussion forums that you can use to interact with other students. And there's that side menu that I mentioned before. One thing I wanted to make sure that I pointed out is that when you complete an activity, we've designed it so that if you need to go through activities again, you can. But when you complete an activity so that you can keep track of your progress, you want to make sure that you mark that complete. And you see that I clicked a checkbox, and now there's an additional square that's turned from green to blue. If you lose track of your progress, say it's been a few days since you've been in the course, you can use this course progress bar to click on the next unchecked or blue activity, and it will take you to your next module. You can also, as I promised to show you before, use the side menu to navigate through different modules. Or the top, or you can click to expand. Another thing I wanted to make sure that I pointed out to you is that many of our courses, and we're working on putting these in all courses, have study guides. And we really want students to take advantage of the study guides. Students who use study guides score 10% higher than students that do not. So definitely take advantage of these. You'll still have to go through the course in order to master all of the concepts, but the study guides are going to help point out what you should be emphasizing in your studies and give you bookmarks in the course where you can find these principles. One last element I wanted to point out is our discussion forums. So again, when you're taking a Saylor course, you're interacting with students from around the world. We have students in every country. So definitely take advantage of the discussion forums to talk with your peers. You can look for study partners, and it's just another thing that you can use to reinforce your learning. I'm happy to take questions. And I see a few raised hands, so we may need some help to from Sanskriti to facilitate.
We see Nalendra Kumar has raised the hand. So yes, Nalendra, please go ahead if you have the question.
By mistaken, that was raised, I think.
Okay. Okay, so any questions, students? So far from your end, any कोई difficulty आपको इसमें समझने में हुई हो? जैसे अभी हमने आपको सेलर एकेडमी का एक वर्चुअल टूर दिया, कैसे लॉग इन करना है, कैसे कोर्स को ब्राउज करना है, एंड हाउ यू कैन कैसे एक सर्टिफिकेट्स को आप फर्दर सोशल मीडिया पे शेयर कर सकते हैं, एंड कैसे इंडस्ट्री एम्प्लॉयर आपके सर्टिफिकेट्स को वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं, so that it becomes authentic and I mean, there is no question on your learning which you have learned on Saylor Academy. So any question you might have, any student? Otherwise, we have few questions for you.
I have opened the chat box for all the participants here. They can type their questions as well to us.
So students, just to in the meantime, if you have any question and you are writing in the chat box, so I just wanted to make you understand this point. The technical knowledge which you are having, आप जो college में पढ़ रहे हैं, that is important. Along with it, if you can supplement the existing knowledge with these professional development courses or any other course of your interest, जो हो सकता है आप एक engineering के student हो और आपका मन psychology पढ़ने का हो, so we have a psychology course there. If you feel कि नहीं मेरी English weak है और मुझे उस पे थोड़ा work करना चाहिए, we have English as second language course there. So enroll to these courses where you can improvise yourself at your own pace. Matlab, you don't have to go anywhere. What you need to spend, I mean, it is free in terms of money, but you have to invest your time. There and time, once you invest your time in, आप किसी भी course में अपना time देते हैं and you learn from these courses, I'm sure वो आपको काफी benefit देगा once you are out of the university. Okay. So, when we had our initial discussion, जब छाबड़ा सर से हमारी बात हुई थी, and we first sent a message to your chancellor, so he immediately sent a positive reply to us stating that certainly it will help the students, because not only these courses are of good value, but certainly they will help them in a longer run. So students, again, this is an opportunity where you have any questions for us, feel free to ask us, or else we would always be there. Feel free to send an email. We would share a media kit also for you, where you will see all the links of our social media. You will see email ID of our of Jackie, and any questions you may have from us. That would be a handy kit for all of you to refer back to. And since we have few faculties also here, so this partnership or these courses are not only for the students. Anyone, if the faculty feels ki they want to take these courses, we welcome all the faculties also to check out our courses and share those certificates with us.
Thank you so much, Archana Thakran, Miss Jackie Arnold from Stellar Academy as well. Here one question is that Sumit Bhardwaj is asking, madam. He's asking, the question is for you, ma'am, which courses are free, means short courses, or which are paid one?
All courses are free.
Yeah. Yes.
You will see all the courses on Sailor Academy, they are free. We don't charge a single money to any of our courses. हमारे सारे courses free हैं, certificates free हैं. We don't charge a single money from any learner. तो students, आपसे कोई कहीं किसी stage पे कोई पैसा नहीं लिया जाएगा. आप कोर्स भी फ्री में देख सकते हैं और आप सर्टिफिकेट्स भी फ्री में ले सकते हैं, प्रोवाइडेड आप उतने मार्क्स लेकर आए. 70% इज द पासिंग परसेंटेज, एंड इफ यू फेल, अगर आपके 70 उस वक्त नहीं आते हैं, सो आप उसको रीटेस्ट भी दे सकते हैं, बट आपको एक हफ्ते का 1 वीक यू हैव टू वेट. वी वांट की दैट यू शुड गो बैक एंड स्टडी दैट मटेरियल, बट यू कैन अटेम्प्ट एज मेनी टाइम्स एज यू वांट, मतलब until you get 70%.
थैंक यू सो मच अर्चना जी इतने अच्छे ऑफर के लिए.
एक another question I see, sir, that offline ki online. So all the courses are online. This is our online platform. So courses you will see online.
Sumit Bhardwaj wants to say thank you, ma'am, for giving us a good opportunity with Sanskriti University and Stellar Academy as well.
So I see one question, one student has mentioned, ma'am, English very poor. Not a problem, student. For उसी के लिए हमने English as second language एक series अपनी चलाई है, and I think this is the highest I think major takers for our program is from ESL. So and these levels we have defined as per कि अगर उसको बिल्कुल basic English भी नहीं आती है तो उसको कैसे हम एक working English language तक लेके जा सकते हैं. तो आप पहले level 1 कीजिए, फिर लेवल 2 पे आइए, 3 पे आइए, एंड देन लेवल 4. जब तक आप लेवल 4 तक पहुंचेंगे हमारा लेवल 5 का कोर्स भी आ जाएगा, and you will feel कि now you are आपका confidence better हो गया है, आप अच्छा और better English में बोल पा रहे हैं. So that's how you can see your own improvement. आप अपनी improvement अपने आप देख सकते हैं once you finish with one of our courses.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So no, right now we don't have any course on digital marketing, but just check out the list of the courses which we have on Sailor Academy. Another thing, can you please repeat the form info? Nitin Kumar, no fees. It is absolutely free. All our Sailor courses are free of cost, and certificates are as well. So there is no fees to any of the courses. I didn't get this question. If you don't get 70%, then you have to repeat the exam. Again, उस पे भी अगर आप 70% नहीं ला पाते, तो आप उसको दोबारा अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हो 1 हफ्ते के बाद, बट पैसे आपको कहीं पे नहीं देने हैं. अगर आप सेकंड बार भी नहीं कर पाते, तो आप फिर से एग्जाम दीजिए 1 हफ्ते के बाद, और फिर भी वी विल नॉट चार्ज एनी मनी, चाहे आप उसको 10 बार रिपीट कीजिए. बट सर्टिफिकेट हम तभी देंगे जब आपके 70% आ जाएंगे. दैट्स द ओनली क्राइटेरिया टू गेट द सर्टिफिकेट. Then I see another, can you please repeat the form info? So I didn't understand with the form info. जब आप रजिस्टर में भी आई टेक इट कि आप शायद लॉगिन की इंफॉर्मेशन जानना चाह रहे हो कि हाउ टू रजिस्टर ऑन सेलर. तो आप जब sailor.org हमारी वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे, on right hand side you will see an icon called login or register. So आप उस पे अपनी ईमेल आईडी से रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं, या अगर आप फेसबुक या गूगल से रजिस्टर करना चाहते हैं तो आप उन दोनों सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट से भी लॉगिन कर सकते हैं. बट रिमेंबर, आपने जिससे भी लॉगिन किया है, आप हर बार उसी ऑप्शन से लॉगिन कीजिएगा, क्योंकि अगर आपने एक बार कोर्स फेसबुक से लॉगिन करके किया और दूसरी बार गूगल से किया, तो पिछला जो कोर्स आपने फेसबुक से किया था, वो आप उसकी प्रोग्रेस गूगल में नहीं, जीमेल वाले अकाउंट से नहीं कंपेयर कर पाओगे. तो वो 2 अलग अलग अकाउंट क्रिएट कर देगा आपके लिए. सो यू हैव टू एंश्योर, अगर ईमेल यूज कर रहे हो तो ईमेल यूज करें, फेसबुक से लॉगिन किया है तो फेसबुक से ही करें एवरी टाइम, अगर जीमेल से किया है तो गूगल अकाउंट से किया है तो गूगल अकाउंट से करें एवरी टाइम. तभी आप अपने कोर्स की प्रोग्रेस को मॉनिटर कर पाएंगे. Can Sanskriti University can apply? Yes, I mean, see, this is open for all the students across the globe. The reason we partner with university is that through university, we want to reach out to the maximum students. So if somebody is not from this university, we welcome them also on Sailor Academy. Can you send me the link to apply to this? Please write sailor.org is the www.sailor.org. This is our URL. Any other question?
One question is from Lalit Kumar. How will the exam be, online or offline? Obviously, online mode will be there, ma'am.
Yes, it would be online. So I see another question. Do you have anything from graphic designing? Student, please check out the list of the courses. You will see on our website हम courses कौन से offer करते हैं. We can show you हमारे courses कौन से हैं. Let me just. Jackie, would you like to open the course page?
Sure, I can do that.
Okay. पेपर कब होगा? पेपर जब आप कोर्स कंप्लीट कर लेंगे और जब आप चाहें तब पेपर होगा. सेल्फ पेस का मतलब ये होता है बच्चों कि जब आप रेडी हैं, आपको तभी उसका एग्जाम देना है. अगर आपको लगता है कि आज मैंने कोर्स कंप्लीट कर लिया तो आप अभी दे सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इसके अंदर आपको लगते हैं इन केमिस्ट्री, जनरल केमिस्ट्री एक कोर्स है, यू नो, और आपने केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़ा है, एंड आपको लगता है कि केमिस्ट्री इसका सिलेबस और मैंने जो पढ़ा है वो सेम है, तो आप डायरेक्टली हमारा एग्जाम सेक्शन में जाके एग्जाम दे सकते हैं एंड सी इफ यू गेट 70%, तब भी आपको सर्टिफिकेट वी विल गिव बिकॉज वी नो कि यू हैव द नॉलेज. Okay, then next question I see, what will be the benefit of that? Okay, how to search any topic of any subject on your website? So see, abhi jaise we have various section, professional development. If you click on professional development, तो professional development के courses आपके सामने open हो गए. Customer service, professional writing, word processing, spreadsheet, prepare grant proposal, resume writing, interview skill. तो ये सारे जो क्वेश्चन, ये सारे जो टॉपिक्स हैं, आई मीन इससे नीचे भी आप बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे कोर्सेज देखेंगे हमारे. तो ये जितने कोर्सेज हैं ये आपको हेल्प करेंगे बिकॉज इंटरव्यू कैसे देते हैं. once you complete your degree from your university, certainly you would be appearing for various interviews, right? So that will help you in getting ready for those interviews. Then उससे पहले आपका एक प्रोसेस होगा रिज्यूम कैसे बनाना है, बिकॉज आई सी इन माई लाइफ आई हैव सीन कि स्टूडेंट्स ये ध्यान ही नहीं देते हैं कि वो रिज्यूम में लिख क्या रहे हैं. They don't know what exact information is required to have a very good resume, because you see कि आप अपनी तरफ से एक resume बना देते हैं but you don't understand the value of sending a good resume, क्योंकि resume is your first impression on your employer's mind. This is the first document which gives an employer about a summary whom that person would be interacting to. So there is an art, there are few points which you should consider while preparing a good resume. So what are those? So this is a very short course which will help you in writing a good resume. So आप चाहे इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट हो, आर्ट के हो, कॉमर्स के हो, whatever background you might be having in your professional career, but these courses will help you once you are preparing for your interviews. So I see another question, how many months of this course? Okay, students, हमारे सारे courses जो है वो उनके टाइम्स जो है वो डिफरेंट है. जैसे स्प्रेडशीट का जो कोर्स है, इट इज ओनली फॉर 6 आवर्स. बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन का जो कोर्स है वो 42 आवर्स इंडिकेटिवली है, मतलब इसमें इतना टाइम आपको लग सकता है, हो सकता है आप इसको जल्दी कर लो. कंज्यूमर सर्विस 40 आवर्स, प्रोफेशनल स्प्रेडशीट आई सेड 4 आवर्स, टाइम एंड स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट अगेन 20 आवर्स. सो हर कोर्स का टाइम ड्यूरेशन अलग अलग है. So that depends कि आप कौन सा कोर्स करना चाहते हो. मैम एक साथ कई कोर्स कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल आप एक साथ बहुत सारे कोर्स कर सकते हो. You can enroll to as many courses as you want at one go. There is no limit that a student can only do one course at a time. If you feel that okay, today my mood is to study chemistry, so enroll for chemistry course. Tomorrow you may feel that today I don't feel like studying chemistry, let me study spreadsheets because मुझे Excel नहीं आता. So that's how you can enroll to any course of your choice and your mood and the time availability. So there is no restriction to that. Next, I see what would be the benefit of that certificate. See, if an employer wants, when you say that you have completed a course for this particular topic, employer might ask you, have you any authentic, how do you prove that you have done that course? So this certificate will be a proof of your knowledge which you have gained from Sailor Academy. For example, okay, now I see a hand. Ashutosh Chauhan has raised the hand. Ashutosh, any question you have? Okay, I don't see. एक क्वेश्चन आया है कि how do you search any topic on any subject on our website? I think Jackie has just shown. आप हमारी वेबसाइट पे जितने भी कोर्सेज हैं वो ब्रॉड हेडिंग के अंडर आते हैं. लाइक इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एनी कोर्स फ्रॉम बिजनेस, आपको बिजनेस से रिलेटेड कोर्सेज उस पे दिखेंगे. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एनी कोर्स फ्रॉम फाइनेंस, you will see those courses under finance category. If you're looking for professional development, you will see आपको वो सारे courses professional development के under दिखेंगे. So depending on what topic you are looking for, you will find this. So benefit of these courses are, firstly, अगर आपको लगता है कि you lack something, आपकी English weak है, आपका maths weak है, या आपका कोई और finance की आपको कोई knowledge लेना चाहते हो, besides your own degree program जो आप anyways कॉलेज में पढ़ रहे हो, उसको supplement करना चाहते हो, या professionally आप अपने आप को और strong करना चाहते हो, group discussions में कैसे participate करते हैं, interviews में कैसे बैठते हैं, likewise. So these courses will help you with no cost. You don't have to pay anything to learn those skills. Okay. It's not only for professional development. I just gave it as a professional development as one of the examples. It could be in business related courses. It could be from finance related courses. It could be ESL related, English as second language course related. It could be on some courses like critical thinking. It could be courses on philosophy, psychology. So depending on what area is of your interest and what we already have on Sailor. So you just check out the list of the courses and see what course catalog will suit your requirements. So you are free to choose those courses. आप उन courses को choose कर सकते हो. एक बार हमारी course की list देखिए, and जो आपके course interest के हैं, जो आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये मुझे help कर सकते हैं, so just enroll for those courses and take those certificates. Maybe जैसे कुछ students या computer science के BTech program के होंगे, so आपने anyway C++ अपने college में पढ़ा होगा, right? तो आप उस C++ के course को either revision के तौर पे करना चाहते हो, so take Sailor course. Otherwise, directly do our exam and get that certificate. So along with your college degree, you will have a Sailor certificate also on C++. So that's the benefit you get. Sailor Academy की application है या YouTube पे मैम? प्रदीप, ये आपको sailor.org, आपको हमारी वेबसाइट पे ही आना पड़ेगा, या हमारी एक मोबाइल ऐप भी है गूगल प्ले स्टोर में सेलर एकेडमी के नाम पे, आपको वहां से आप हमारी दोनों चीजों को कोर्सेज को देख सकते हैं. You will not find all the course content on YouTube, क्योंकि हमारे जो कोर्सेज हैं उसमें मल्टीमीडिया फॉर्मेट यूज होता है. कुछ आपको रीडिंग मटेरियल मिलेगा, कुछ आपको वीडियो फॉर्मेट्स मिलेंगे, कुछ आपको प्रेजेंटेशंस मिलेंगी. सो इट वुड बी अ मल्टीमीडिया फॉर्मेट फॉर ऑल आवर कोर्सेज, सो इट कैन नॉट बी पुट ऑन यूट्यूब ऑल टुगेदर. सो electrical engineering related courses are available. Please check our website. Do you feel that you find any course on electrical engineering? Because the first year engineering is common for everyone. So I am sure उसमें computer related कुछ courses आपको जरूर मिलेंगे, but specifically electrical domain I don't think you will find as of now. Timetable. नितिन, there is no timetable. Self pace का मतलब हुआ आपके पास जब टाइम है, आप if you are free on Saturday 1 घंटे के लिए just do that course. अगर आपको लगता है रात को हर दिन हर every night में आधा घंटा मेरे पास होता है, रात में कोई टाइम निकालना चाहते हैं, आप उस वक्त वो हमारे कोर्सेज में कर सकते हैं. So there is no timetable because this is not MOOC. See, MOOC और सेल्फ पेस्ड कोर्सेज में डिफरेंस होता है. MOOC का मतलब होता है एक पर्टिकुलर ड्यूरेशन में वो कोर्स रन होता है. फ्रॉम फॉर एग्जांपल फ्रॉम 18th दिसंबर टू 18th of February हम ये कोर्स ऑनलाइन ओपन करेंगे. दैट इज अ MOOC प्लेटफॉर्म जहां आपको एक पर्टिकुलर स्टार्ट डेट और एंड डेट होती है. You know, in that you have to complete that course in that specified time duration. But when it says सेल्फ पेस, इसका मतलब होता है when you have, जब आपके पास टाइम हो, you complete the course as per your convenience. उसमें आप 2 महीने भी ले सकते हैं, उसमें आप 3 महीने भी ले सकते हैं. You can complete it in just 1 week or you can complete it in two months. It depends on how much time you gonna devote in that particular course as per your time availability. So there is no time deadline from our end. It is up to you how much time you want to spend there. How do I take an English course? Just sign as Jackie ने जैसे आपको बताया कि कैसे आप सेलर पे रजिस्टर करेंगे पहले और फिर उस कोर्स में एनरोल करेंगे, आप उस कोर्स को ले सकते हैं. So online, see, when you say online classes available anytime, student, you need to understand it is not online class जैसे हम अभी Zoom classes करते हैं. This is not typically that online environment. Self-paced environment में आपको सारी चीजें एक साथ दिखेंगी. I mean, you would as I said, इसमें आपको हर टाइप का कंटेंट मिलेगा. रीडिंग मटेरियल भी फोकस होगा, आपको पीडीएफ भी बहुत पढ़नी पड़ेंगी, आपको वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी मिलेंगे और आपको वीडियोस भी मिलेंगी. सो वो आप अपनी मर्जी से पढ़ेंगे, आपको कोई टीचर वहां नहीं दिखेगा जो आपको ये पढ़ा रहा होगा. सो that's how a self-paced course typically looks like. Any other question which I may have missed? कोई और सवाल students? Please feel free to ask. I'm happy to answer.
Thank you so much, Archana Thakran and Miss Jackie Arnold from Seller Academy for the beautiful seminar and the help provided to the student for a free self-learning material and courses for their betterment of the career. Thank you so much. Myself, Suresh Kaswan from Sanskriti University. Special thanks to Professor P.C. Chavda sir, our Executive Director, and Miss Archana Thakran ji, Miss Jacqueline Arnold from the Seller Academy have presented beautiful outline regarding courses and encourage student for the enrollment. We thank you so much and wish very best of luck, madam. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. It was indeed our pleasure, and we were really happy to answer all the queries of the students. And I will really look forward to see all the students actively taking part on our Sailor Academy. And in case the students, they come to you with any difficulty they might have, please pass on those queries to us. We'll be happy to address them, or they can directly send an email to us. We would be happy to answer any queries जो भी students की होती हैं.
अर्चना जी, it was a very wonderful program.
Thank you, sir.
और आपको सुन के अच्छा लगेगा, Facebook पे more than 600 participants were there.
Okay, wow, wonderful.
Because this was live on Facebook.
Right, sir.
So यहाँ पे आपको नजर आ रहे होंगे थोड़ा ऐसे 140 के करीब.
जी.
तो 600 ऐड कर लीजिए उसमें.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. नहीं सर, ये मैं स्टूडेंट्स के क्वेश्चन से ही I was very happy. जो भी उनके दिमाग में आए कोई भी सवाल, तो at least we could answer them. And hopefully उनकी जो भी इनिशियल क्वेरीज रही होंगी हम उनको एड्रेस कर पाए हैं. एंड अगर इसके बाद कोई भी प्रॉब्लम उनको होती है तो वी हैव आवर हेल्प सेक्शन है. वो हेल्प सेक्शन या हमारे FAQs वाले सेक्शन में जो भी क्वेश्चंस हैं will be happy.
मैंने आपको शायद थोड़ा इनिशियली इसीलिए ब्रीफ कर दिया था because our students they are not very comfortable in English.
जी सर.
So that's why I requested your intervention.
जी सर. So I'm sure सर मैं सबकी क्वेरीज अच्छे से सबको समझा पाई.
It was nicely handled.
Thank you.
Thank you.